Hello developers. While coming to users perspective, they always like to have suggestions that will auto-complete the text that they are typing. Because nowadays we all are running out of time, right? But here the problem is we always need to rely on some complex JavaScript code to achieve this functionality. Let me show that to you. As you see here, to create this autocomplete text functionality, we really need this much of JavaScript code. To be frank, I have no idea what it is doing here. What if we skip all these codes and use one simple trick to achieve the same functionality? Yeah, in this video I will show you how to create autocomplete text without even single line of JavaScript. So keep watching till the end of the video. As you see here inside my project directory, I have an index.html and then let's add HTML boilerplate code by using a meta function. So let's type exclamation mark and hit enter. It will generate all the necessary boilerplate code. So as I am focusing on the auto text completion feature in this tutorial, I will skip the HTML form creation and copy paste the form from the bootstrap docs. So let's see how to do that. In Google, let's search for bootstrap CDN and go inside the bootstrap official website and then go to docs. So inside the get started, you may find CDN link for CSS. Let's copy and paste inside my head and then let's go inside the form and in layout we can find many form templates. And this looks fine for me. Let me copy the code and paste it inside my HTML and let's run in the browser. I know this is looking so odd, so let's try to adjust some styling. So inside my form I'm going to add column mid 6 and let me add style.css here. Before going to do anything, let me link my CSS file with the HTML. Link CSS style.css. Okay, then inside my CSS, first let me select the user selector and box sizing, border box and margin is 0 and inside the body display flex, align item center to center everything vertically and justify content center to center it horizontally. Now let me switch back to the browser. Okay, it is not vertically centered because we haven't provided any height to our body. Mean height of 100 VH. So now it is looking somewhat good. In this I'm going to change this address to, let me find that address to here. So we'll change the address to designation and copy paste the same inside the placeholder and anywhere inside your HTML let's create one data list and add ID for it. In my case I'm adding designation list. So let's try to add options inside that. Inside this option you can able to type whatever you want. So in my case I'm just typing designer, developer, business analyst, DevOps and QA. So let's go to the input field and inside that input field let's add list and here we need to mention this ID. Let me copy and paste it Let me save it and show it in the browser. While you hover onto this designation field, you may see little icon in the right side corner. So if you click on this, you will get all the suggestion. You can able to select anything in the section, or else if you start typing, it will show the appropriate suggestion down below. I don't think so there's much difference between this and this in terms of functionality. Here the only difference is with the styling. You can't able to customize the styles as much as you can able to do in this thing. So that's the only difference what I can feel. So if you can feel any difference apart from this, let me know in the comment section. Let me repeat it once again what we did in the coding. First you need to add one data list and add the data list as list inside your input field. That's it. Data list is not so limited up to this. We'll cover all those things in upcoming tutorials. Until then, peace out and stay tuned. Hope you learned something new from this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.